Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna talk about replacing the wiper blades on your Honda Civic. All right, this applies for this generation, I would say 2012 to 2015. All right guys, keep watching. Before we get started, I just want to tell you guys, my name is Eddie. I do a lot of BMW content, but also just cars in general, DIYs. I do a lot of reviews, testing, things like that. So in this video, I'm going to do how to replace wiper blades on your Honda Civic. And this test, we're going to use the PiAA SI Tech. These are a silicone wiper, and the advantage is it actually deposits a silicone layer on the windshield to get the water repelling at all times. So the first thing you want to do is clean your windshield. All right, so I'm going to use a can of invisible glass. Guys, if you want to use, I think this is probably the best window cleaner you can buy. I'll link all this stuff in my description, so if you want to check that out, be sure to do that. But this is also window tint safe. It's a foam, it goes on, doesn't streak. It's really good. So let's get started. All right, now that I have the windshield clean, the next thing I talk about are the wiper blades. All right, this is a very simple procedure to do. What we're gonna do is you're gonna pick up the blade, the arm like this. That's it. Has a certain detent it rests in, stays upright. We'll do the same thing with the other side. Now, wiper blades come in different sizes, different cars. Obviously, they make different length, okay? So you want to research the size you need. For this generation, I think from 12 to 15, I believe, or 16, and obviously it's on the driver's side, you can order this in either the 26 or the 28, okay? So I ordered the 28. Some cars only give you one length, but this is what we get. On the passenger side, you can do either a 24 or you can get, I think there's a 22. Now, why do they vary? I think because the windshield, I think, comes to a certain type, and I think each manufacturer varies. But I'm doing the 28 on the driver's side and the 24 on the passenger side. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this arm, this little flap, and you wanna lift that up. So right there. Lift that up right there. Okay. Now when that's lifted, the blade you should be able to slide it down. I'm gonna set the camera down for this because I'm gonna need two hands. And what you wanna do, now that I've unflapped this is on a hook. This is on like a upside down J shaped. So you wanna slide the wiper down from the J. So I'm just gonna pull a little pressure right there, and I can hook. You can see how it hooks in there. And it has a little bit of the J hooks around this area. All right. Now be careful with this. I mean, obviously you see the J right there. You don't want to bump this arm and have it hit the windshield. So leave this up. And be careful because what I've done before in the past, I've accidentally knocked this down, hit the windshield, and of course it's in a crack up. So leave this up. I'm going to unbox my new wiper blade. This is a 28, so it's going on the driver's side. All right, so I had a wiper blade. Now this company provides many different connectors depending on the style of wiper blades you have. All right, so if I have this is a different type. Each manufacturer has a different connector. So if you have an Audi, they might have a different type. Some of them have these shape here. All right. For the purpose of this car, in this video, we're talking about the J style. What I'm gonna do, the J should hook right here. This wiper blade is already preloaded. All I'm going to do is slide it right in here. You want the J to hook right in there. Put it upright, push in there, it clicks in, we're all set. Let's watch it again. J hooks around this area. That's it. That's all we need to do. Passenger side, same thing. Lift up, slide down. To remove it. Sometimes it takes a little bit of wiggling out of here, but you see the basic of the process. New one, hooks in there, we're done. Just like that. You'll let the wiper blade down. And that's it. Now, with this company I go with, they give you a prep. This is something you apply on the windshield if you went with this company. If you just went from generic or just different brand, you may or may not even have anything like this. But this is a silicone blade. It has different material. You just need a preparation pack. You apply this on the windshield, similar to like you'll do like a Rain-X or something. Buff it off, and then the wipers will be good to go. It has the like water repellent action. So I'm gonna let this video play. If you guys enjoy the content, be sure to give me a thumbs up and like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more stuff, more car related content, BMW content, DIYs, things like that. So think about that. So I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna apply this packet and we should be good to go.